Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. Friends, as you know, Infosys system engineer hiring in many of the colleges is scheduled tomorrow and day after tomorrow. So I thought of making one small video where you will be able to solve the important questions before you go and write the exam. Friend, the exam will be very easy, so please do not get panic. Today I am going to discuss some reasoning ability, mathematical ability, and madam is going to discuss pseudocode question. Let us start. And if you like the video, don't forget to comment and subscribe to the channel. So if x plus y is equals to 12, y plus z is 13 and x plus z is 25, then what is the value of x plus y plus z? So by seeing this, I could say if I add all these three, so this is x plus x 2x, y plus y 2y, z plus z 2z. So and then 12 plus 13 is 25 and 25 50, 50 by 2, 25 will be the correct answer. Actually Infosys questions they that do not need pen and paper. Anyway, now let us see how did I solve. So x plus y is given as 12, y plus z is given as 13, and x plus z is given as 25. Now three equations, all three equations we need to add it. So x and x, 2x, 1x only is very tough, 2x, that will spoil your present also. Then y plus y, just joking, 2y and 2z is equals to, this is 25 and 25 is 50. Now my dear friends, 2 you take common, so x plus y plus z will be equal to 50, and here x plus y plus z is equals to 50 by 2, that is nothing but 25, right, which already we did without even using pen. So this was the first question. Now moving towards question number 2. Question number 2 is a good question, and Infosys generally asks this question for 2 marks. How many marks? 2 marks they will give you for this simple question. So what will be the sum of first 95 odd natural number? First of all, sir, what is a natural number? Are by natural number which is available in nature? No. Natural number starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Goes till infinity. Now they wanted odd natural number. So even number is a number which is divisible by 2, like 2, 4, 6. These all are even number. They wanted odd natural number. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and how many? 95 odd natural number. So we have total 95 terms. Like see here, 3 natural odd number, 4 natural odd number, 5 natural odd number, 6 natural odd number. So like this 95 they are telling. Okay. Now, so friends, basically we need to calculate the sum. So sum will be equal to n by 2 into first number plus last number. Okay sir, that is fine. But where is the last number? Last number we don't know. First number we know, but last number we don't know. We can use arithmetic progression, but here it is not required. Now see, third term is 5. So I can write 2 into 3 minus 1. Fourth term is 7. So 2 into 4 minus 1. Fifth term is 9. 2 into 5 minus 1. We are just trying to analyze the pattern. Sixth term. So 2 into 6 minus 1. So what will be the 95 term? So 2 into 95 minus 1. It will be nothing but 190 minus 1. It is 189. So we got the last term. That means 95th odd natural number is 189. Now n. So what is the total term? Sir, it is 95 by 2. First number is 1 and sir, last number is 189. That's all sir. If you solve this, you will be able to get the answer into 190. This will go by 95 terms, and 95 into 95, how do we multiply? I have already taught you. 5 into 5 is 25. 9 you increase by 1, it will become 10. 9 into 10 is 90. 9025 for question number 2. Option 3 will be the correct answer, and you will be getting 2 very good marks. Okay, so we will be also solving the puzzles and all in today's class. Don't worry. So friends, one more thing, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, do it right now. whatever you want to do, you do, but please do subscribe and don't forget to like the video. Okay, we will be bringing you the best content. You already will be seeing the genuine content, the best content for all of you. That will be keep happening at online study for you. Okay, now so what will be the, okay, this we have done. Question number 3. In a class, Pratik ranks from the top is 12th. Very good. So Pratik rank is 12th from the top. So this is top and Pratik rank is 12th. Fine. And Ramesh rank from the bottom. And Ramesh rank from the bottom is 27th. If they interchange their position, Pratik ranks from the top becomes 18. Now they're going to interchange their position. That means Pratik will come at which place? Ramesh place. And Ramesh will go to Pratik place. Okay, that is not a problem. And then Pratik rank becomes 18th. So what they are asking, tell me the total number of person in the class. Sir, it is very, very easy. Now Pratik is here, right? So Pratik is here. From the top, Pratik rank is 18th. That means behind Pratik, 17 people are there. From the bottom, Pratik rank is 27 because Pratik has come to the Ramesh place. So 27 means behind Pratik again 26 people. So 17 plus 26 and 1 Pratik itself. So it will be 7 plus 6, 13 and 14 and 44. That means option A will become the correct answer for this particular question. Without using much of your mind, you will be easily able to solve the problem in the examination. Main, where you will be losing your patience, right? So that will be during the puzzles. When you solve the puzzles, no, so that time you will start losing your mind, your patience, and you'll get irritation in the exam, right? So that all those things happens. So how to solve this particular puzzle? So here we have 4, 5, 11, 3, 2, what? 7, 8, 41. Getting the logic is very, very important. Now friends, you see, we'll multiply this two, okay? So 4 into 5 is 20. 4 into 5 is 20, okay? And then after multiplying, what we will do? We will add 4 plus 5 because we need 11. So now you see 20 minus 9 is nothing but 11. Very good, sir. बहुत अच्छा logic है. Then this one, last one you see 7 into 8 minus 7 plus 8. Let us see if it works here. 56 minus 15, sir. So this is nothing but 41. Yes, sir. This is also fine. So it is 41 here. Okay. Same thing we will use here. 3 into 2 minus 3 plus 2. So 3 into 2 will be 6 and 6 minus 5 will be equal to 1. And here you could see, okay, option is not given. So here your answer will become, answer will become 1. So at the place of this particular question mark, you have to select 1. Clear? Okay. So puzzles will be generally for 2 marks and 3 marks. So this kind of puzzle will be for 3 marks. And what we did earlier, right? And what we did earlier, like question number 4. So that will be for 2 marks. Okay. So 2 marks and 3 marks, 4 puzzle will be there. 2 marks puzzle and 2 3 marks puzzle. Total will be for 10 marks. Okay. Fine. Now 9, 4, 2, 25. So here what we can do, you see, if we multiply this two, 9 into 4 is 36 minus, and then 9 plus 2. So what will happen, sir? 36 minus 11 will be 25. Okay. Sir, the same logic will apply here. Let us check. So this is 10 into 4. Okay. 10 into 4 minus 10 plus 11. So it will be 40 minus 21 is equals to 19. Yes, sir. Perfect. Then 12 into 3 minus 12 plus 15. So it will be 36 minus 27 is equals to 9. Very good, sir. Perfect. Then here 3 into 4. Okay. Minus 3 plus x is equals to 7. So 12 minus this 7 will come this side, 3 plus x. So this will be 5 is equals to 3 plus x, and x will be equal to 2. So basically the value which we need here, so 3 into 4, 12, and 12 minus 5 will be equal to 7. So here the answer will become 2. I hope you understood the puzzle. See, for puzzle, no, practice is very much required. Otherwise, you will feel the questions is very, very tough. Okay. Okay. Next question. So select the pair that are not related on the same basis as pair given. Now, so 4 is to 65. 4 is to 65 will be what, friends? 4. And then this 65 is nothing but 4 cube plus 1. Now we have to find out which one is not related to that. So let us take first option. So 6 and 217. So 217 is 6 cube plus 1. So this cannot be your answer. Then let us take 2 is to 9. So 9 is nothing but 2 cube plus 1. So this is also same fashion it is written. Then 9 is to 730. 730 is also 9 cube is 729. 729. So this also cannot be your answer. So obviously answer will be option D only, 8 510. So 8 510. So this will be 8 cube minus 2. But we are looking for 8 cube minus 1. Okay. So this is not related. Option D will become the correct answer. Now last question logic will be little disturbing for everyone, but this is how we have to solve. Okay. So $5.9 is equals to it is equal to actually 135. Okay. Then $4.08. Friends, for one question there will be multiple logic. Whatever came to my mind, I am solving with that, and then we will see if it is working. So 135, and then I am subtracting this 2, 5 into 9. So 135 into 45 is equals to 90. Okay. Here you see 122 into 4 into 8. So 122 into 32 will be 90. Okay. Then here 144 into 9 into 6. This is what logic I thought. So, and it is working also 90. Now we have 13 into 6. What value will subtract so that you will be getting 90? So here it is x. So x will be equal to 90 plus 78. It is nothing but 168. Is there any option? Option A. So you had to tick that and then you had to come back. Friends, Infosys exam will be easy. Please keep yourself very calm and then write the exam. You will definitely do good. See, I'm telling you, I have the confidence on all the students who are watching online study for you. You will do wonders in the examination, and also you will achieve whatever you want in your life. I will pray to God always. Okay. So please take care of yourself. We are always there. Now coding, pseudo code, ma'am will start. Okay.
Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to the channel Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So today in this video, we are going to solve some pseudocode problems that will be helpful for your upcoming Infosys examination. So without wasting our time, let's start with the very first question here on my screen. Set A as 5, B as 2 and C as 3. So basically we have been given a 3 variable A, B, C. Value of A is 5, value of B is 2 and value of C is 3. After that we have a function, name of the function is func, in which A, B, C are integers that are passed to the function. After that there is a for loop that will iterates over the value of C from 3 to 4. From 3 to 4 means both are inclusive. This means body of the loop will execute twice, that is once for C is equal to 3 and then again for C is equal to 4. In this for loop, here we have an operation, that is value of B will be updated by performing to AND operator with C. Basically, we are performing bitwise AND operation between 2 and the current value of C. After that, here we have a if condition that will check certain condition and they are codes, and after that we will have to return value of A plus B. That will be finally returned. So firstly, let's stick value of C as 3. Now, inside this for loop, B is equal to 2 bitwise and C. This bitwise AND compares each bit of binary representation of numbers and return 1 if both bits are 1. Otherwise, it will return 0. So binary form of B, that is binary form of 2 is 1, 0, and binary form of C here is 1, 1 as C is 3. Now we will perform bitwise AND. So 0 and 1, this will be 0, and 1 and 1, this will be 1. So basically decimal form of this is 2. So updated value of B is 2. Initially also it was 2, and now also after updation the value of B is 2. Now let's check this condition that if B plus A is less than A minus B, if this condition will be true, then we will execute whatever code will be written in this if. So one thing you can notice here that A and B are the positive integers. And in this if condition, it is written that if A plus B will be less than A minus B. Since A and B are positive integer, that means A plus B will always be greater than A minus B. This is always true. That means this condition will always be false. That means that if condition will never satisfy. So whatever code written under this if condition, this will never be executed. So that means this value of A, that is C plus A, will not execute here because this condition will always be false. So finally return A plus B. So return A plus B. Value of A is 5, value of B is 2. 5 plus 2, that is 7. Let's move to next question here. In this question, we have integer A, B, and C. So let's take A, B, and C. Value of A is set as 8. Value of B set as 51. Value of C set as 2. Now, here we have to perform bitwise XOR operation that will compare binary representation of two numbers and will return 1 if the bit are different and will return 0 if bits are same. So here we have to perform C. Here we have a bracket, and under this we have to perform A XOR C first. And after whatever result we will get here, we will perform XOR A. After that we have to update the value of B, that is B modulo, this is modulo operator, and then 4. And finally we have to return, or finally we have to basically print A plus B. So here again one thing you can notice that we have to print the value of A plus B. There is no need of C. And here when we are updating value of B, we are basically performing B modulo 4. We are not using value of C. That means there is no need to calculate this line because finally we have to return A plus B. There is no need of C, and whenever value of B is updating, there also there is no need of C. So basically we have to print A plus B. So B will be, initially B is 51. Then we have to perform this modulo 4. So divide 51 by 4. So here so basically remainder is 3. That means value of B will change to 3. Now print A plus B. So A plus B A is 8, 8 plus 3, 11. So answer for this is going to be 11. Let's move to next question here. Question here is, what will be the output of following pseudocode for n is equal to 2? Here we have a function, and inside this function, basically there is a if and else. And here is a use of a recursion, that is recursive function. So let's start. Input n as 2. And here base condition is written. You can say recursion will stop when n is equal to 4, as it will return n. So initially here fun integer n, that is 2. Now check if n is equal to 4. No, n is equal to 2 here. So we will go in this else part and we will return 2 into fun n plus 1, that is 2 plus 1, that is 3. Now again call this function. So here n will be 3 for this case. Now check that if n is equal to 4, no. So we will go in this else part. In else we will return 2 into pung n plus 1, that is 3 plus 1, that means 4. Now here 4 will be passed. Now check if n is equal to 4, yes. So return n, that means return 4. So this will return 4. Now calculate this. 2 into 4, that is 8. So here for this 2 into 8, that is 16. Now for here final output is going to be 16. So correct answer for this question is 16. Question here is, what will be the output of following function? Here n is 6. Then here we have a function n, and if n is equal to 1, return 0. Otherwise return this one. So basically in first line we have input value, you can say, that is n is equal to 6. Basically there is a use of a recursion concept. There is a use of a recursive function that call itself until it reaches a base case, and here base case is if n equal to 1. So basically this is going to be our base case. Now for any another value of n, function will return this one. So let's start. N is 6, that means here function, in this function n is 6, this one. Now check that if n is equal to 1, so n is 6. If 6 is equal to 1, no, this is false. So return n minus 1. So return 6 minus 1 plus, there is again a function call. So there is a function call, and here n minus 1. That means 6 minus 1, that is 5. So this was our first function call, and then after that here we have second function call. Now again function 5, that means here 5. Now check this base condition. If n is equal to 1, so if 5 is equal to 1, no, this is wrong. So we will see this line, that is return n minus 1. That means 5 minus 1 plus, again there is a function call n minus 1, that means 4. So after this there was a function call here. After that here again there is a function call. So here we can see that they in a similar manner, basically there was a function call of 6, then after that there was function call of 5, after that there will be a function call of 4, then after that there will be a function call of 3, then 2, then 1 respectively. Now let's see the value it will return. So we can summarize it here. Wait a minute. So we can summarize it here and we can write it down here in this fashion. So here we call, let's take name of function as func 6, func 6. This resulted in value that is 5, func 5. Then after that there was 4, func 4. After that there was 3, 3. Again there was a function call of 3. Then after that again here it was a 2. Basically we are seeing the pattern, and after that there was a 1. Then there's a function call of 1. Now let's see when n is equal to 1 what will happen. So first let's erase this. So when n is equal to 1, so here in this n is 1. So if n is equal to 1, then return 0. So basically this is going to return you 0. This will be 0. That means 1 plus 0. Here it will be 1. That means here 2 plus 1. Value will be 3. This will go here. So here you can see 3 plus 3. That means 6. So here we will go 4 plus 6. That means 10. After that, here it will be 5 plus 10. That is 15. After that, so this means this final output is going to be 15. So this one is the answer. Now let's see another question. What will be the output of following pseudocode? Here we have integer a, b, c and d. So let's take a, b, c and d. Set a as 14. So let's set a as 14, b as 15 and c as 16. Now check the condition that if a is greater than 6, so a is 14 greater than 6. Yes, this is correct. So we will enter inside this if, and here inside if it is written b is equal to c minus a. C is, here you can see 16 minus a. A is 14. That means 2. So here change the value of b to 2. Now again here we have to check that if a is greater than c, so value of a is 14 greater than c. C is 16. Check this. So 14 greater than 16. No, false. So we will check this else part. We will go in this else part, and here in else it is written d is equal to b minus c. That means d is equal to b is 2 minus c. C is 16. So that means value of d is minus 14. We have already checked this if part. This was true. That's why we have calculated this part. So there is no need to go in this else part. Here we have to print d. So that means print d. That is d is minus 14. So answer of this question will be minus 14. Now let's see another question. This is again similar type of question, an easy one. What will be the output of following pseudocode? Here value of m and n, that are like you can say two variable. M is 9 and n is 6. So initial value of m is 9 here n is 6 here. Update value of m as m plus 1. That means 9 plus 1. So new updated value of m is 9 plus 1, that is 10. Update n as n minus 1. So n minus 1, that means 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 will be 5. Now, value of m will be m plus n. M is 10, 10 plus n, that is 5. That means 15. So, updated value of m is 15. Now check that if m is greater than n, m is 15. Check this condition. M is 15, 15 greater than 5. Yes. So print m. That means print m. M is 15. That means here this if condition is true. So we have entered in this if condition. There is no need to go and check else. So answer for this, like output for this, is going to be 50. So that's all for today. Best of luck for your upcoming examination. Stay tuned. We will bring more videos to you. Bye bye. Thank you.